Right now, obviously, we're in a bit of a credit crunch nationwide, and so I think there's a little more difficulty for folks getting capital, but it's especially so in that working capital area where if you've got land that's not encumbered with debt, if you've got nice equipment that can be collateralized, you can probably find financing. But if you have working capital, if you need to hire someone new, if you need to invest in a marketing strategy, that's trickier to come by, especially in the traditional channels. One nice thing is that there's some alternative channels, some of which we talked about today at the summit, where there's this slow money movement and patient capital, individual investors coming up to the plate and saying, hey, we might be interested in financing these projects. Now, there are some, for example, peer-to-peer lending platforms. They're not ag specific, something like prosper.com, lendingclub.com. And some people are starting to say, okay, instead of paying the credit card 20+%, we can get financing through these online peer-to-peer platforms at 8 to 15% kind of money. I think what's more interesting is there's some grassroots movements coming up nationwide and in the region. And right here in the Traverse City area, there's a group I'm involved with called As Local as Possible. And what we're doing is we're an investment networking and discussion group. We invite an entrepreneur that's triple bottom line focused on not only financial returns but social and environmental returns. We have them come, they speak to our group, and if group members are interested in that project, they then after the meeting go and follow up with that entrepreneur. And so we're bringing to the table entrepreneurs that might have a hard time through traditional channels getting capital, and investors that are not getting much of a return perhaps on their CDs or bond investments that say, you know, we want some of our money local. We want to come and listen to local entrepreneurs.